continue round back. Also slow, use 4 counts. You really need pulling up your upper body a little forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Have big cross, right cross, okay? And then hold 4 counts, 5, 6. Feel the feeling, muscle feeling. And then you plie and straight up. Right now we start from back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round, 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round, 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold 4 counts. And then you plie. Clear, girls? Everything super slow. I really need you feel your body, okay? Let's do with the music. The music, okay, I'm not giving it too slow, that's too fast, too scary. Okay, so let's do a slow tango music. Hold on. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's try this one. Ready? 1, 2, stay there. Slow round. 6, 7, 8. Feel the hip. Don't move. 4 counts. 3, 4. Slow round. Keep cross. Hold 4 counts. Don't move. And plie. And straight up. From back. Stay. Feel the tailbone. Push. Turn up. Hold 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 4 counts. And plie. And up. Finish. Okay, and then we start from back. Listen, girls, you can close your eye to do it. I really need you feel your muscle. Your tailbone is super important. No matter what you do, the hip muscle is tight. Okay, the tailbone is push forwards. No matter front or side or back, doesn't matter. Okay, so really feel it. Right now, we start from back. Very simple, okay? You turn your back 4 counts, round 4 counts, stay 4 counts, round 4 counts, plie 2 counts down, 2 counts up. That's it. Yeah? Just need to really feel, okay? Start from back, ready? I will watching you. Turn your back. Stay. Still right side leg. Tailbone forwards, go. Hold 4 counts, don't move. Right now, front. Feel the heel, turn out. Hold 4 counts, don't move. Right now, plie first. Plie and straight, finished. Okay, girls, pretty good, okay? So let's start from the left side. Left side, same thing, we start from first, okay? Feel your body, muscle feeling, okay? You can close your eye to do it. And left side, turn you front. 1, hold, stay, and heel, to the side, slowly, to the side, hold, don't move, 6, stay, right now, to the back, round, back, 4 counts, don't move, stay, feel the muscle, tailbone, right now, first position, plie, and straight up. Beautiful. Okay, we do one last time. Relax a little bit, okay? Okay. Okay, start from back, okay? Continue work on the hip, okay? That's very important. All your turn or energy start from your tailbone. Ready? Left side leg, turn you back. Back, 1, 2, 3, 4. To the side, 5, 6, good. Heel forward, hold 4 counts. Did you point your toes? Do you tailbone forwards? Round, front. Front, go, front. 4 counts, don't move. Push heel forwards. Rotate your leg. Plie right now. And stay up. Straight. Beautiful. Very good. We will do the same thing again. Okay? But this time you will one hand hold the bar. And then you will make leg in the air to do the things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Round, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4. You plie. So everything's in the air. Okay? The feeling is exactly the same. Okay? So you go 25 degrees good. If you want to do 45 degrees, I'm okay too. Okay? So let's try that. One hand hold the bar. Okay? So you still can close your eye to feel it. Okay, let's change another music. Okay? First patient. Come to front, leg up. Hold there. Point your toes. Don't move. Round side. Slowly. 6, 7, 8. Hold the focus at the chest. Point your toes. Turn up. Pulling up. Round back. Focus. Don't go fast. Good. Focus. Don't move. Stay. Arm on the side. Don't move. Right now, plie. And up. Right now, we go back. Tongue you back. Leg up. Stay. Don't move. Beautiful. To the side. Slowly to the side. Did you push your heel? 跳蹦 forward. Focus. Don't move. Feel the feeling. Right now, front. Slowly go front. Heel forward. Stay focused, don't move. Stay there. Right now, plie. Beautiful. Finish. Okay, only one thing, okay, from back to the front, to the side, a little bit, now use the tailbone. Okay, remember here, the tailbone push forward, you cannot run around to the side like this. And then you push forward. Now, from here, your tailbone go first, and then your leg follow. See? You hit already forwards, already hard. Okay? So, start on our side. Come on, our side. Ready? Okay. Close your eye, feel your body, and when you're doing that, hold your stomach tight, okay? Don't relax your stomach either. Okay. Our side, up. R. Front. Stay. Hold, don't move. And to the side. Feel the turn up. Stay there. Focus. Don't move. Stay. Point your toes. Tailbone. Right now, slowly circle back. Back. Focus. Don't move. Did you cross? Did you point? Did you tailbone forwards? Right now, plie. And straight up. From back. Turn you back.